Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be going over the stock Torchlight and why it has been climbing to the absolute moon over the past few weeks. Now, this stock is another one of those short squeeze stocks, so we're just going to be basically just going over everything that's going on with it, whether or not I'm buying or selling this stock or just not playing with it at all, how down bad these shorts are, so how much money these shorts have lost. Now, if you guys enjoyed this type of content, make sure you leave that early like on the video, as it's the #1 thing you can do to help out a small content creator like myself. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so as you guys can clearly see, Torchlight Energy Resources is up 57% on the day. It is going absolutely crazy. If we zoom out to the week chart, you can see it's up 105% on the week. The 1 month chart, it's up 323%. So this thing seems to just climb and climb and climb, and there's definitely some short squeeze action going on here. So let's just take a look at some of the updated numbers from Ortex and just get an idea of how screwed these shorts are right now. Alright, so here we are on Ortex and we have some of the updated short interest percentages. So you can see about 25% of its float is currently being shorted. Now, what we need to pay attention to is this short interest number has been going up each and every day. It's been going up around 2% per day. And you can see that just about a week ago, about 10 days ago, the short interest was at about 15%, and now it's all the way up to 25%. So people are definitely shorting this stock at some of the elevated price levels. However, when you look at the average days on loan, it's 30 days. Now, if we zoom out a month on this chart, we're on the 1 month chart. About 30 days ago, this stock was trading for $2.24 a share, and now it's at $9.97 per share. This means that the average short position on this stock is down $7.66 per share that they shorted. If we multiply that times the number of shares that are currently being shorted, which is 30 million, we get about a $230 million loss for the shorts currently on this stock. Now, the entire market cap of this stock is only about $785 million. So shorts are really hurting on this stock, and definitely a short squeeze is occurring because the stock price has shot up in the past few days. Now, another thing that I want to show you guys is how the average days on loan has been decreasing in the past month. So just about a month ago, it was at 48.92 average days on loan, and has gone all the way down to about 30 average days on loan. What this tells me is that people have been shorting this recently. People have been shorting at the elevated price levels, so around 7, 5, 8. I mean, it's been a large increase, so they could have shorted at any one of these numbers in the past week, and by doing that, it's bringing down the average days on loan that these shares have been. But majority of these shares that have been shorted were shorted at like the $2 range. So most shorts are still down pretty badly right now. So this one, if it holds the current price levels, I definitely see a short squeeze occurring. I'm sure a little bit of a short squeeze has already occurred since we've seen the average days on loan go down. Definitely the possibility that a lot of the shorts that were in early started to cover. I mean, this one is a classic short squeeze. It reminded me a lot of what happened with AMC. It's looking very similar to that, but on a much smaller scale. And overall, it's just pretty crazy what's going on. If you'd like up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing as little as $1, use the link in the description and the pinned comment section to sign up for Public. Public is a stock investing application that has a very nice clean user interface. It's my favorite application to use on my iPhone, and it is also an investing social media. They don't do any payment for order flow or any of those other shady business practices that Robinhood does. They rely off of customers' tips alone, so you know that if you're going to be investing in Public, you're going to be getting the best possible customer service. So if you guys haven't already signed up and you'd like to get up to $70 in free stock, use those links below to sign up, And yeah, all you have to do is deposit at least $1. So with all that being said, let's get back into the video. So let's just read through this article from Reuters real quick. I'll highlight the main key points, and the article basically says Torchlight Energy shares surge 74% in latest meme stock rally. So the company authorized a $100 million stock sale last week, and it has over 6 times their 25-day average trading volume, making it the most heavily traded stock on the NASDAQ. Now, what this tells me is that they are taking advantage of this meme stock rally in order to sell more stock. Now, with that being said, that is definitely a potential risk if you are a shareholder. However, a lot of these meme stock rallies don't really depend on fundamentals alone. AMC also sold shares on the rally up, and it didn't really seem to affect the buying pressure. So if you're in it for the short squeeze, I wouldn't really worry about this too much unless it becomes a weekly thing and this company just continues to dilute you. Data from brokerage Fidelity showed that Torchlight was the second most traded stock on its platform on Friday, with buy orders outnumbering sell 1.6 to 1. After losing $71 million last week, short sellers had lost another $138 million on Monday after Torchlight hit a record high of $10.88 per share. That's insane. I would not short any stock in this market right now. And yeah, again, Torchlight said last week it would raise $100 million by selling shares, following the footsteps of other beneficiaries of meme stock rallies such as GameStop Corp and AMC Entertainment Holdings. So yeah, that's a common theme for all these meme stock rallies. You're probably going to see the company raise some capital as a result. I mean, their share price has gone up significantly. It's up about 300% on the month. So why wouldn't they raise some cash? It makes sense that this company was battling bankruptcy at one point. I would raise cash as well. It's truly the best thing that you can do as a CEO of the company, even though it's not the best thing you can do for the shareholders. However, for the most part, the shareholders don't seem to care. Torchlight is also being talked about a lot on Reddit. As you can see, it has increased its spot right behind Cleveland Cliffs here on the live Reddit feed. You can see TRCH Torch coming in at the 6th place spot in the last 4 hours. So, am I personally buying into Torchlight? Well, no, I'm not. However, I do think since this one is still under $1 billion in market cap, and these short sellers are down really bad, if this stock did jump up again and it doubled in value again, tripled in value, quadrupled in value, just imagine how much in the hole these short sellers would be. This would actually be an insane short squeeze if this one were to continue to rally. However, I'm personally focused on Workhorse right now. I think Workhorse is at the beginning stages of a really nice run, so I'm still bullish on Workhorse over this, and I'm focusing all of my short squeeze gamble money into Workhorse right now for the most part. And with that being said, that's why I'm not playing with this stock. If you guys are playing with this stock, you can definitely make some money. You can also definitely lose some money. So nothing I said here is really any financial advice. So be very careful if you do decide to trade and invest in this stock, because it's very risky. If you look at the company's revenue, they basically have absolutely zero revenue. You're banking off of a short squeeze on this one for the most part. So just know that while going into it, and be very careful. That's all I got for the video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed making it as always, and that's about it. Peace.